Hey, this is Tyrone from Environmental Test Solutions. First video we're doing in the warehouse. What we're going to be doing is looking at a QED MP50 Low flow kit. It's a portable kit for bringing groundwater up from maximum about 40 meters. I say maximum, that's probably the deepest I've gone ever with it. But it's a portable kit. Let's have a look at it and how we've set it up over here. Okay. I'm going to look around a messy warehouse, but forget that. Okay, the kit is just this case. Can you see that? Now, what we have here, we've got a control unit, pressure control here, pressure gauge, and there's a mini compressor under here. And it's all been powered from a 12-volt battery. So you don't need a massive one for this, like a big lithium or something, like if you were doing a mega typhoon or a big proactive pump. You just need a fairly normal battery as long as it's not going to run out. 12 volt here. So we've got one that's 12 volts, 25 amp hours. So what you do with this, once it's connected up, so what we got, this blue valve here, blue cable, or tube I should say. This goes down after, actually let's start again. Power goes in. The air out, you can see air out there, is where this blue cable, if you're hiring this from us, it'll look exactly like this. You connect the blue cable, you pull back on that and push it down, it's a push fitting. Then you've got this, the other half of this cable, sorry, I've got to try and do my videos better. Connects on to, this is 1/4-inch tubing, just there. So that's air going down. Now that goes all the way down through the pipe. Here's a 1/4-inch pipe going back up. We've got our tube set up here for an example in the warehouse, so we can test it. And it goes in, goes down. Can you see the 1/4-inch? It's the thin one on the outside. Goes down, past the stainless steel cable, and there's the pump. So it goes into the pump head, which is underwater at the moment. And you can just see the little round circle vent is where the water gets sucked in. Actually, not on that side. I'll go around. Can I see it properly? Can't see at all because of course it's up against the back, so you can't see it. It's just there by my thumb. But that's where the water gets sucked in at the top, virtually the top of the pump. So once the water goes in, I'll talk about that in a sec. The water comes out the thicker pipe, the 3/8 pipe, and we have it pumping out. That goes back up to the surface. That's Clive coughing in the background. Stop that coughing. And we've got a whole load of that pipe. We've actually got it fed straight back into the same, oh, can you see it? There we go. The pipe, when it forces out, comes out, goes back into our water column here. So what we've got here is just a plastic tube, which if you've seen any of my videos, which is only a few of them, you would have seen it before. And that's set to exactly the same size as your normal monitoring bore. It's got a 50mm internal diameter. Okay, let's turn this thing on and let's see what we see. So go to the settings. Can I get past that light on my screen? Let's press cycle, and it starts counting down the refill time. So what it's doing right now, it's releasing all the air, and you can see there's a few bubbles coming out, which is pretty good. And then now, it'll try and force some water out when it does the discharge. The discharge when it compresses. And we should see water come out. There we go. Water's come out. And then this pressure has to be equalized. So the machine is turned on at the same time as the discharge, because the pressure when you're discharging, you're pressurizing the unit. And it's actually working really well. However, we're on the surface. When you're 30 meters down, it takes a little longer for the water to come up. So you've got to realize, oh, I can see a bubble going up the thing. Oh, I missed that. There's the water. But the good thing about this kit is if you're doing a groundwater exercise of any kind, you can just grab this kit and all you need is, like I said, a 12-volt battery and the pump head that's down there and nothing else. Everything's in here, and you can get down to at least 40 meters with this and bring up your sample under low flow conditions, which is really good. This is one of the many items at Environmental Test Solutions. So look us up and we can help you out. Thank you.